Today I am starting off with a face. I know that the prompt for day 9 is abstract florals, but I wanted to incorporate that somehow, maybe in the background of this face or something like that. I don't know. I have just a rough idea of what I want to do. I was very happy with the way the face turned out. I did rework a couple areas, but overall, I really did like the way her face turned out. This was the work in progress photo that I shared over on my Patreon. If you would like to see more behind the scenes as it happens, you can follow me over there. Now, the first set of flowers I tried out did not go very well. It was really late at night and I was really trying to finish this page, but the flowers weren't coming together. I didn't feel like they were cohesive with the drawing. So the next day, I painted over it and I just redrew them the way that I just naturally draw flowers, and they actually do look a bit more abstract than what I thought they would. They actually kind of look like leaves or flower shapes more than just flowers themselves, to me anyway. I did feel like the drawing was little too neat, so I added some watercolor crayons, some drips and splatters, and after I added my journaling, I really felt like the whole page came together. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.